Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Cloudinary assets and transformation backups, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your assets with Cloudinary, log in to your Cloudinary account. Navigate to your dashboard where you can view your existing assets. Identify the assets you wish to back up. For individual assets, select the asset by clicking on it. Look for the download option and click to download the selected asset. For bulk downloads, use the media library. Select multiple assets by holding down the Control or Command key while clicking each asset. Once you have selected all desired assets, look for the download button located at the top of the media library. Click the button to initiate the bulk download process. Now let's focus on backing up transformations. Navigate to the Transformations section in the Cloudinary dashboard. View your list of defined transformations. Select the transformations you want to back up. For each transformation, click on the Export option to create a backup file. This will save your transformation settings in a format that can be restored later. If you want a comprehensive backup of all assets and transformations, consider using Cloudinary's API. You can access your assets and transformations programmatically for automation. Set up a script to utilize the API for downloading all assets and their respective transformation settings. This script can iterate through your assets and transform them for efficient backup. Once the backup process is complete, verify that all files have been downloaded successfully. Store the downloaded files in a secure location. Consider saving them to a secondary cloud storage service for added security. Regularly back up your assets and transformations to ensure you have the latest versions available. Review your backups periodically to confirm they are functioning as intended. This ensures that you are always prepared to restore your assets if needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently back up your Cloudinary assets and transformations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.